Ecology and functions of ecosystem. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding food chain. 1. A food chain is the movement of nutrients and energy from one creature to another at different trophic levels. 2. Energy provided by the sun is the primary component in every food chain. 3. Particular food chains remain unchanged in every environment. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 2. Which of the following statements correctly explains potential resources? A. Resources which are in current utilization. B. Resources which can't be used due to its uselessness. C. Resources whose utility is not known at present but can be used in future. D. None of the above. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding the process of eutrophication in water bodies. 1. Large amounts of nitrates and phosphates cause eutrophication in water bodies. 2. In natural eutrophication, a lake is characterized by nutrient enrichment during which eutrophic lake is converted into an oligotrophic lake. 3. Eutrophication causes dead zones, which are hypoxic areas in the world's oceans and large lakes where aquatic lives cannot survive. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 4. There is no net benefit or harm to either species. Perhaps in some interspecific interactions, the costs and benefits experienced by each partner are exactly the same so that they sum to zero. It is not clear how often this happens in nature. It is also sometimes described as the relationship between two species inhabiting the same space and using the same resources, but that have no effect on each other. In this case, one could argue that they aren't interacting at all. Identify the biotic interaction from the options given below. A. Neutralism. B. Mutualism. C. Commensalism. D. Amensalism. Question 5. Consider the following food chain: litter, earthworms, chicken, hawk. Identify the food chain from the options given below. A. Heterotrophic. B. Detritus. C. Grazing. D. Autotrophic. Question 6. Which of the following is the goods and services provided by ecosystems? 1. It helps in generation and renewal of soil fertility, including nutrient cycling. 2. It provides food and fuel only. 3. It stabilizes and modernizes the Earth's climate. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 1 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 only. Question 7. With reference to ecotone, consider the following statements. 1. It is a zone of junction between two or more identical ecosystems. 2. A well-developed ecotone contains only the organisms which are entirely the same as that of the adjoining communities. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding biotic interactions. 1. A large tree shades a small plant. Retarding the growth of the small plant is an example of commensalism. 2. Relationship between two species inhabiting the same space and using the same resources, but that have no effect on each other, is called mutualism. 3. Cow dung provides food and shelter to dung beetles whereas the beetles have no effect on the cows, is an example of amensalism. Which of the statements given above is not correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. consider the following statements regarding levels of organization in ecology. 1. Communities are a group of organisms usually of the same species occupying a defined area during a specific time. 2. In order to survive, individuals of any one species depend on individuals of different species with which they actively interact in several ways are called population. 3. A biome is a large ecological area with similar climatic conditions and can have multiple ecosystems within it. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 3 only. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding ecosystem functions. 1. The capacity of ecosystems in maintaining their state of equilibrium and regulating their own species structure and functional processes is known as homeostasis. 2. Hibernation occurs in animals living in deserts and tropical regions to protect themselves from hot and dry climate and due to the scarcity of food water. 3. Estivation is the condition in which the animals go dormant during winters by lowering their metabolic activities. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 11. Which of the following organisms are known by the term saprotrophs? A. The organisms that survive on the blood of their prey. B. The organisms that live on other organisms' bodies. C. The organisms that decompose dead and decaying organic matter. D. The organisms that eat organisms of the same species. Question 12. Consider the following statements regarding the productivity of the ecosystem. 1. The rate of production of both organic and inorganic matter is known as an ecosystem's gross primary productivity. 2. The biomass that is available for consumption by heterotrophs is known as net primary productivity. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.